Can you tell us how protein is in chicken?
Protein is in the chicken because when the chicken is little in the egg has lots of protein, and when the egg hatches it turns into baby chicken.
Can you tell us how turtles swim?
Turtles swim because when they got the flappers, they got webbed flappers. And with the flappers they flap in the water. The flappers flap the water and they push the water.
At the end of every teen movie, how does the nerd get the girl at the end?
They pay him.
The nerd gets the girl because, as he said, they paid him, or the director is blowed in the head because he's stupid, because nerds, I never see them get girl in life. When they get girl, they look like them. It's like their sister. Like it's their sister. And I just killed someone.
They pay hookers.
For instance, my friend back there, he pays hookers because he's nerd.
Yeah.
We heard you pay hookers.
No, you get it all wrong. They pay hooker.
He said you pay hookers because he said you were a nerd.
Hooker pay him back for little meat.
Can you explain what you meant about the hookers paying him back for a small meat?
Smeat.
So you're saying he has a small meat, so the hookers smeat. So let me get that correct. You said smeat, right?
Smeat.
Smeat, like the thing you have?
No. It's like the thing that you have.
I'm kidding. I kid.
Itty bitty smeat.
I kid. So what you were trying to say is,
I have anaconda.
Alright, just get to the point.
Anaconda.
So you're saying that he has a small meat, so the hookers pay him back because they didn't like it.
That makes no sense, my friend.
As soon as they see small meat, they throw money back in the meat.
But they love it.
So they don't even do nothing. They see, throw the money back at him.
You'd rather do fat the guy that hadn't seen penis in 2 years. Basically.
It's a Bigfoot. It's a Bigfoot. It's a Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Man, fuck you. I put this Bigfoot up your ass. And
Can you describe how you paid the hookers?
They pay hooker.
Can you describe how chickens work in proteins?
See what happened is egg is chicken. Egg is baby chicken. So when the egg grows up, it turns into big chicken. So the
I'm like tears off my eye.
it's a blue.
Can you describe how there's protein in chicken?
Well, if there's protein in egg, then the egg has to be chicken. Oh no!
Man,
Wow. But is it going? Chicken is in protein. I mean.
Okay, can you tell us how protein is in chicken? Apparently not.